respected director sir, principal sir, teachers, and all my dear friends. First, I wish you all Happy Republic Day. This is our national festival. We celebrate this day because Indian Constitution has come in the effect in 1950. On this day, our President hosts national flag at Kartavya Path in New Delhi. Our Constitution gives us fundamental rights, equal justice, equal opportunity to every citizen of India. This is supreme law of India. Any country needs to a law which follows the government. Dear friends, you must know that how our Constitution met. Our Constitution has a expenditure of 64 lakh rupees. You know that the cost of our Constitution is 64 lakhs, that is $6.4 billion. Dear friends, it's true that India is the largest democratic country in the world. The drafting committee led by Dr. B.R. Ambedkar. And we can also say that the father of Constitution is also B.R. Ambedkar. So we should respect our Constitution. At last I request to all my dear friends, you must be responsible and educated, be self-confident and disciplined to make a bright future of India. Because the students are the future of India, no any politicians. Believe in yourself. And with words, I am ending my speech. Thank you so much. Bharat Mata Ki Jai.